August 15th, the Independence Day, where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his address at the Red Fort, mentioned that the country is going to be seeing GST rate rationalization very soon. So before this rationalization was approved in the GST Council meet, the rates that were applicable were 5%, 12%, 18% as well as 28%. However, now most of the categories are going to fall under 5% and 12%. And as a benefit of this, a lot of sectors are going to see that the consumers are going to benefit on the rates that will be slashed as a result. This means that apparel, footwear, electronic items and much more, including medicines, are going to be coming into the pockets of middle class people at a much lesser rate. And other than that, how the price ranges are going to benefit the consumers, the shopkeepers and the shop owners are currently in the process of working on their computer systems in a way that new barcodes can be made, even some sort of rate cuts in terms of reducing the MRP or some sort of discount at the final bill could be given to clear out the older slots, and the newer slots and the newer products that are going to be coming in will see new rates. Just like your shoes, even your clothes are going to get cheaper. So the consumers could see benefits of GST rate cuts even when they are buying their clothes. What's going to happen here is that if you're going to buy apparel that is worth up to rupees 2500, the GST that is going to be charged on it is going to be about 5%. For our final segment, we are at Metro Radio and Electronics in Bandra West, and we have with us Mr. Amit, who is the owner of the shop, who will be speaking to us. So sir, ever since these reforms was sort of announced by the Prime Minister on August 15th. Do you see that the consumers have gotten to know about them and less number of people are coming in waiting for the rates to be slashed?
The Honorable Prime Minister has done a very good thing by reducing the GST, and it will benefit to us. Obviously, as of now, because everyone is waiting for the 22nd, so that is the reason. But 22nd, we are expecting a good footfalls. After that, during Diwali also, there should be good sales, an increase in the sales also.
So currently, do you see an impact on sales because people are waiting for September 22nd?
Yes, obviously there is a lot of impact on the sales as of now, because there is a huge gap between the reduction. The reduction is happening between 28 to 18%.
How will the price benefits reach the consumers in terms of prices from the billing itself from Monday?
It will go down by about 3,000 to 4,000 rupees.
So have you changed your price bands, your tags and everything?
We are working on it. By the 21st night, everything will be sorted out.